Tomorrow it's time to do some more acoustic lectures online with some live streaming on YouTube, business as usual. And this time I'm going to do it in Swedish because this course that I'm going to do is a bit more about the Swedish regulations and some special requirements and legal stuff that is not that relevant to the international market. And also there's this interesting fact about transmission of information. If I, as a teacher, talk in English, which is not my native tongue, I can express about 70% of what I want to get out there, my ideas. And the listeners, if they are listening in a language that is not their own, they can understand about 70% of all that I'm saying. So 70% times 70% equals 49%. So when I'm doing my lectures in English for a Swedish audience, about half of the information is lost in translation. So now I'm going to do it in Swedish and see if I can get out twice as much information.